Hello guys, this is Joe from J.C.DESIGN and welcome to a new Photoshop tutorial. Today I'm just going to show you how to change the order of the tabs here, navigate your tabs and your windows. Default at the moment, Photoshop will open your images like this. So I've got a number of images open here. And it will arrange them in this format, in a tab format. And there's a lot of Mac users who use Photoshop. I'm using it on the PC at the moment, but if you're using it on the Mac and for whatever reason it'll default to this, there is a way to change this so each image is an independent image on its own. So the thing that you need to do is, if your image is open like this in tabs, you want to go up to Window, and then you want to go to Arrange, and then you want to go down to Float All in Windows. So if you click Float All in Windows, each image will open independently now on its own kind of like image board kind of thing. I just made a word up there. I don't know what that means. So yeah, so now you've got each image independently. But the thing with that is that because it's a default, whenever you bring your image up like this, it'll go back to the tab. So now this image is joined to that other image. So the way that you change that is you go down to File. No, you go down to Edit on the PC, and the Photoshop button on the Mac. So then you go down to Edit, and then all the way down to Preferences, and then along to Interface. And then what you need to do is, you see these two boxes here, so open documents as tabs. If you don't want your documents to open as tabs, you just click that off, and enable floating document window docking, which is basically what we've got here. So if you, for whatever reason, you don't like the tabs to kind of join up, you just click that off, and then you click OK. And then it shouldn't. We just pull that off, and there. You see, it doesn't go back now. So I don't really like my desktop like this. I find it a little bit messy and a bit confusing. But obviously, everybody works different ways. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to set everything back the way it was, by going up to Window and then going to Arrange and then clicking on Consolidate All Tabs, and this will bring it back to the tab menu that we had in the beginning. The good thing with tabs is for me it's quite neat, and it's quite easy to select through your documents. For whatever reason, I haven't saved these images. They're just all Untitled 1, Untitled 2, Untitled 3. So let's say you wanted these to arrange them in the order of the number. So if you want to have number 1 at the beginning, all you do is you click on the tab and you drag it to the beginning, and there you just let go, and it'll become number 1. Then you have number 2 and number 3. Now there is a shortcut key to cycle through all these tabs rather than having to click on them. On the PC, it is Control and Tab, and if you tap Control and Tab, it will cycle through using the keyboard. On a Mac, it is Command and tilde. The tilde button is the button which is either above the tab or it's either below. I mean, I'm not really sure because I'm not using a Mac at the moment, so I can't really decide. But all you do is you press Command and the tilde button. So yeah, on the PC it's Control and Tab, so you can cycle through your images. So guys, I really appreciate you watching this video. Really hope you found it helpful, and if you're interested in any other Photoshop videos, please check out my website, which is joseph-connor.co.uk, and then just click on tutorials. And if you've got any suggestions what you might want to see, or you're struggling to kind of figure out in Photoshop, please hit me up in the comments box below, and I'll be happy to make a video about it. So yeah, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.